Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube, signed into the account where you want to remove searches. Tap your profile icon, then choose Manage Your Data in YouTube to go straight to Privacy Controls. Once there, locate History and Privacy. This is where search history lives. Make sure you selected the right account because deletion is account-specific. Next, you will see options to clear or pause search history. We will clear it now, so your previous searches are removed from recommendations and saved data. You should now tap Clear Search History and confirm the prompt. This deletes all recorded search entries for that account. Once done, consider toggling Pause Search History to stop new searches from being saved. Use that if you want temporary privacy. If you are on mobile, access these options in the app settings. On desktop, use the left-hand menu and click History to find the same controls. Make sure you understand that clearing is irreversible for past entries, though future searches are unaffected unless paused. To finish, review other devices and signed-in browsers to ensure the deletion synced across all sessions. Sign out and sign back in where necessary. If some searches still appear, clear your browser cache and cookies and recheck YouTube history because local caching can show stale results. One troubleshooting tip: if entries persist, confirm you cleared the correct Google account and not a different profile. If problems continue, repeat clearing after signing out of all devices and then sign in again to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.